Hey, this is Jamie at Useful Knowledge. So we're out here cooking up a camp meal on our new homemade camp grill. So stay tuned, we're going to show you how easy it is to make your own homemade camp grill. And as a bonus, we're going to show you some of our camp grill builds from the past. Okay, a little history for you here. I built this camp grill well over 30 years ago. And it was built from throwaway components. I found an old grill someone had thrown out and I got the grate out of it. And the legs are actually built out of a lawnmower handle. Now I've used this ever since, and it's never failed me. Okay, this is my son's camp grill we built probably about 15 years ago. And again, it was a throwaway grate, and we went to a hardware store and we actually made the legs out of some 1/2-inch pipe. And that's what we're gonna do today for our new camp grill. Okay, this is everything you're gonna need to build a camp grill. I've got an old grate that I actually took out of one of my old barbecue smokers. We've got the 4 pieces of 1/2-inch black pipe that are going to be our legs. We've got 4 elbows. We've got 2 runners, which will actually run this length. And we've got our U-bolts. Okay, the legs are 1/2-inch black pipe that are 8 inches long. The U-bolts are 1/4 inch by 1 inch by 1 3/4. And they actually say on the package that they are for 1/2-inch black pipe. The runners are 1/2-inch black pipe that are 12 inches long. Then you also have the elbows to attach them together. And you're gonna need 2 crescent wrenches and just a wrench or a socket to tighten up the U-bolts. Okay, to get started, basically we're gonna build this. But we're gonna have our elbow. So we're gonna build this. So what I wanna do first is put the elbow on the foot. Get that tight because you don't want it to move when you're grilling. Okay, we're going to do the same thing here. All right. There you go. That's one section. We're going to build one more and we'll put this on our grate. Oh, there we go. All right, that one's good and tight. We're going to do this one. All right. Well, there you go. Camp grill, ready to go. Okay, let's try this new grill out. So look who's joined us out here at our campsite to check out this new camp grill. It's Liberty. Hey, Liberty. Okay, I'm gonna start this with a piece of fat pine. If you're interested in fat pine, it's easy to find. We've got a video on how to find it. So we're gonna start it with that. We'll put some dried twigs on that to get that going. All right, we're gonna let that catch up. Okay, our cooking fire is catching up really nicely. All right, our fire is ready for cooking. We're just gonna knock it down, spread it out a little bit. Okay, we just got these on our new camp grill. We're letting them cook. All we put on them was salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And these are what we call hamburger steaks. All right, we're gonna put some corn on the cob on here. So this is corn out of my garden, but you can also get corn on the cob from your local grocery store. Okay, we hope you gained some useful knowledge on how easy it is to build your own camp grill. Thanks for watching.